syarat chatri ubapuli hagorkha Patshala Higher Secondary School Shillong. Bat ubawan haka kyrdan kebapra haka result secondary school living certificate SSLC balapan benar dah ka embos haka nyotrik yayong. Ula ai burom ya kene ke jingjob ke jong u syaki kimi kikpa kinong hikai bat ya ke jingtresh tom ke jong u hi shimen. Habakren syakilat pathai khubor u syarat ulaong. Kadai ke jinga trilang jong kimi kikpa jonga kinong hikai ki betebet jonga bat ke jingtresh tom ke jonga. Ka jingjob ke bahalan dat kadai ke jingtresh tom bat jing penlet jingmun ha ke jingpule. Kumba shisin u Krishna ulaong. Le ya ka kam klem da khmi lenti ya ka e ka banmi naka. U syarat ula ai jingmut ru ya ki khna puli ki bamsham la poi sha kathong ba kim dei ban du jing kirmen bat kim dei ban ailat ba ka result kam bishar ya ka jing im jongki. Ka result kam dei ban bishar ya phi namar ha ka bakut phi dei ma phi ban bishar ya ka lawi jong phi ka jing im jong phi ka dei ka jong phi om dei ban ai tilut yala ka jing im ban pun urlong ya ka jing khmi lenti jong ki wei pat ulaong. Habakali halor ka jing temu ka ba udon ha ka jing im jong u. U syarat ulaong ba udon ya ka jing sngo tenat ha ka kam shet jing shen. Ngas sngo tenat ban penlut por ha ka ba shet jing shen. Bat shisin ka sngi ngalak ban long uchef ulaong haringkat ka jing pu samrki.
Syarat Chetri. And secret to my success? Well, that's an interesting question. It is a combination of my parents, my very experienced and qualified teachers, and myself. The secret would be to work hard and to really put yourself into the work. As Krishna once said, do the work without hoping for a result. And yeah, the secret to my success will be studying consistently and not missing a day of study. My message to the struggling students will be that results don't define you, and at the end, who you are, that's what defines who you are, and your character, your behavior, that is what defines you, not a set of marks. Surely someone will have more marks than you, but no one is you. So your life is yours to live, and don't sacrifice your life to fulfill the expectations of others. My future plans, so to say, I like cooking, and I think so I might become a chef in the future.